We're excited to announce Key to Life products have been added to the CCOF Approved Materials database. This is a milestone for us because California Certified Organic Farmers, or CCOF, is a USDA-accredited organic certifying agency and trade association, actually the first one ever, established in 1973. As a nonprofit organization, CCOF's mission is to advance organic agriculture for a healthy world through organic certification, education, advocacy, and promotion. CCOF envisions a world where organic is the norm, as does Key to Life. Key to Life products added to CCOF's Approved Materials database include Silver Bullet, Root Life Microbes, Root Life Fungi, Key to Boost, Key to Uptake, and Key to Kelp. Enzyme was also identified as a suitable cleaning product. Key to Life founder, owner, and CEO, Tate Dooley.
We're excited to receive CCOF's approval for use on the organic farms they certify, and this is just the first step in our organic certification. The majority of ingredients that go into our manufacturing are certified organic, but as a small family-owned business, investment in our own certification has been cost prohibitive until now.
Visit us at keytolifesupply.com and stay connected on social media. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Key to Life Supply, also on LinkedIn and YouTube at Key to Life.